Yes, we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, will Bitcoin hold that 4K level, or will the Moon Boys get wrecked? And also we're going to just give you guys an update on the crypto market charts and answer some questions. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, because over here we only look at the charts. We only care about the facts. We only care about making money now. And if you are interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button, because that's what we do over here. All right. During this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So shout out to all you guys that's coming in. And let's get this party started. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Okay. Let's get this party started. So what we're going to do is pop out this chat real quick. I don't know how many people is going to show up real quick. I haven't done a live stream in a minute, but it is what it is. Let's see who's in the building so far. We got Eric. We got Dean. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. This is G Baker. All you guys, Davina. Okay. All right. So, once again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I know some of you guys are tired of losing. Over here, we don't like to lose. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. So let's go to the coin market cap. BTC dominance is at 51.4. All right, market cap is at 137. All right, let me see. Percentage wise, really nothing going on in the crypto world. Nothing is up too much, but right now we're holding the gains. The volume is so-so, and overall they are defending that $100 billion mark. All right, so let's zoom in and let's see what we see. Let's actually look at this chart real quick. Let's go to the 4-hour. All right, so we had a nice little pop, right? Me personally, I was looking for Bitcoin to break to the downside, or not really break to the downside, but I wanted to see if Bitcoin will break to the downside, because I believe, if it did, it was going to test the bottom. Okay, but we didn't get that break. Okay, we broke to the upside. And now we are seeing consolidation. Okay, so we are seeing another consolidation going on. Okay, it might be a small flag, so we will definitely keep an eye on this. Okay, we will definitely keep an eye on this. So what could happen? Basically, we can break out of this flag. Okay. Find temporary resistance at 42. Probably actually it will pop down and probably go right back up to that 44 level. Okay, because what I'm thinking is, if Bitcoin decides to break the 42 level, my guess is we're going to continue to go up, because it doesn't. I mean, to me, the way I'm looking at it, because the way I look at the market, guys, is just totally different. Okay, it's totally different from most people. What's going on, guys? It's good to see you guys here. The way I'm looking at the market, I'm trying to put myself, look at it like the whales, right? I'm trying to see how the whales are trying to trick you guys. All right, so right now a couple of things could happen. Okay, we could get a fake breakout and create some type of head and shoulder. Okay, right here. So we got the head right here, we got the left shoulder right here, and then we can create a right shoulder right here and go back down. Okay, now if we break out of this flag and hit the top of this, which is around 42, most likely we are going to continue to go up. That's just the way I'm looking at it. Okay. Now, if we do continue to go up, how far? That's the next question. The next question would, the next stop probably be around 4,400, 45. Okay. Now, if we go to that, I really, like I said, I'm still, right now, the way things look, I still think that they don't want to bring this market that high. I just, right now, I don't see these guys bringing up the market this, so high. So basically, when I mean so high, I really don't see these guys bringing the market all the way to 5,500 like that. I mean, that's real high. Okay, so I think they want to still keep it as low as possible, and they can still do that going to 44, 4,500. All right, chop around there and then start to reverse. So right now, this is what we're looking at, guys. Okay, it looks like we might get another continuation, and if we don't get a continuation, most likely we're going to get some type of head and shoulders. Now, if we get a continuation, most likely it's going to be a bigger flag pattern on a daily chart. So it probably going to look something like this, right? We go up to here, okay, and we could drop down, right? So we can create some type of flag on a daily chart just to go right back down. Okay. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, guys. Because the way I'm thinking, like I said, I'm trying to think like a well. I'm not one of these YouTubers that don't understand the market. They think it's the bottom, or they think we're going to reverse, or whatever the case is. All right. I'm hearing a lot of things going on. So me personally, I still believe that we have more room or more downside, and we just have to be patient. Okay. This is a bear market, and we did had a big blast down. Okay. So when we have a big blast down like this, you have to expect some pullbacks, because the market doesn't go straight up. It doesn't go straight up. All right. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Of course, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. And we're going to go from there. Okay, we're going to go with the questions. If I don't get too many questions tonight, probably going to make a quick stream. But if you guys have any questions, type it in. Okay, this is a live stream where I do go back and forth with my viewers. Okay, so are we going to hold that 4K level? It's a strong possibility we can actually hold that 5K level. Okay, but it's also a strong possibility we can do a fake out breakout and continue to go back down. So just be aware of that, right? Because like I said before, okay, I strongly believe that they want to keep this as low as possible. All right, and when I mean low, I'm talking about the price. I don't think they want to go all the way up to 55 right now, because when it decides to come back down, it's going to be a little bit too obvious. So let's go to these other coins real quick, and then we're going to go to the questions. All right, we're going to go to the questions. Please type in your questions. I don't care what type of question it is, for the most part. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I only give you guys the facts. I don't care about the news. All right. We talk about the news here and there, but for the most part, the news to me is just useless. So right now on Litecoin, what we have is a trend line right here. Let's see if Litecoin is either. Let me see how this trend line is looking. So let's see if Litecoin is actually going to reach that trend line. But let's see if I can draw it one more time. So we got that trend line right here. Let's see Litecoin going to reach that trend line, because it is. If it does, it's going to be resistance right there. Let's see where Ethereum's going. So Ethereum's actually seeing resistance right here on the top. So the steam is running out. Be careful, guys. I know some of you guys actually want to, look to buy it, but I mean, we ran up a whole bunch, so just be careful. A pullback could happen soon, so be careful with that. We did hit resistance at the top. If we go to the 4 hour, you will see it a little bit better. Right here, this resistance level right here at the top. We tried to make a higher high. We barely made a higher high, and now we are pulling back. Okay, so be careful with that. Let's go with TRX. Okay, TRX is looking good. Okay, let me see on that daily chart. So TRX actually had a trend line right here. It broke the trend line and is actually going right at the top. Okay, so that's pretty good. Okay, now it has resistance right here, so it's a strong possibility we will see some type of sell-off around here, so be careful. All right, let me see here. Let me see what else. Ethereum Classic. Nothing is going on with this. It looks kind of weak actually, but we could go up, but it looks weak. Let me see. We do have a trend line right here. What else, guys? And shout out to everybody that is here. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. So XRP is deciding to do something right now. I don't know if it's going to, hold this, but it's breaking out a little bit, So let's see if XRP can actually go back up to 40-something cents. Okay. So let's go to these questions real quick, and we go from there. All right. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Let me give you guys another round of applause. And we will see if Bitcoin will hold this 4K level and go up more, or will the Moon Boys, decide to get hit with that Hadouken? Okay. Hadouken! We don't know yet, so let's go to these questions. If we do have some questions, okay. What's going on, LA? George, Bambino, TJ, Matt, Ahmed, Brian, Akala. What's going on, guys? Cedric, Randy, T-Loke. All right, what's going on here? We got a troll already. Oh, okay. He's putting up the website. All right. So yes, guys. You said Eric said he's playing with a demo. Shout out to you, bro. That's the name of the game. You got to practice. Okay. T-Loke said, I noticed your channel have ads. Congrats, bro. Yeah, my channel been had ads. T-Loke. My channel always have ads. I honestly don't make that much money from ads. Let me see here. What's going on, Sean? My thoughts on TRX. I just gave it. Hopefully you heard my thoughts on TRX. Sean, I don't know if you was here. I just talked about it. Do you think TRX will ever revisit the low, the low lows again? Will this run up sustain? Thanks, Ben. Shout out to you. I don't know if you're new to my channel. Yeah. So TRX basically, we talked about it right here. Okay. So someone asked me, do I think TRX will go back to the lows? Okay, that's a great question. Okay, because right now we're looking at is a nice little bounce from this level. So that's a great question. And the answer is, unfortunately, yes, I do. I believe that TRX will go back to the lows unless Bitcoin decides to do a 360. Right now, Bitcoin the way I'm looking at Bitcoin, it looks, like we have more room to go to the downside. Okay, until I see some type of bullish movement with Bitcoin, then I can say, okay, maybe we could see a turn when it comes to this market. But right now, Bitcoin is still looking weak. The volume is low. Everything is low. Still looking weak. How to exit your trade? What trade you're talking about? I don't know what trade you're talking about. Can you be more specific? What's going on, Peter? What's going on, Matt? Position on Litecoin. My Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin has room to go to, what do you call it? This channel right here. Doesn't mean it's going to go to it, but it has room to go to it. And then from there, we're probably going to have some temporary resistance right there. So just be careful. But Litecoin, the way I'm looking at it, Litecoin actually has room to go, because we broke out of this this triangle breakout. So Litecoin does have room to go right back to the breakout, okay, which is around 48, 49-ish, okay. Doesn't mean it's going to get there, but it has room to get there, all right. It all depends on if Bitcoin wants to continue to go up. I think Bitcoin probably is going to make another move up just to, get people excited. Is there a triangle on a 4-hour BTC chart of your opinion? Should we use a triangle pattern on a 4-minute? Well, you have to understand, Lance, that right now we are in a bear market. So even if you do use a triangle pattern, it doesn't mean that it will work. Will it work? Sometimes yes. Okay, you will get a situation when the market is just been selling so much to the point where it's bouncing a little bit, and we will consolidate, break out a pattern. Okay, so can this triangle pattern work out? Yes, it's a possibility. Okay, you the one that has to make that judgment. Me personally, I don't like to go long in a bear market only if it's obvious support level. Like, for example, these support levels back in 2018, these were obvious support levels. So these levels right here was decent, a decent place to go long. But right here, I mean, this could actually work out. But at the same time, you have to understand, don't be too greedy. Okay? You have to understand you can't be too greedy. That's number one. Okay? And then another thing you have to understand is, let's say it does pop out of this triangle, it could go right back down. Okay? So you have to understand. So me personally, if I was playing this breakout, I would be like a hawk. I would watch this thing like a hawk, and if I see any type of fishy movement, okay, I'm out of there, honestly, because this thing could break out and then just go back and stop you out. So let me see here. LA, you said, can I explain? You can email me any specific questions when it comes to a course. You can email me. All right. How does XRP look? XRP is breaking out of this consolidation, all right, and most likely it's probably going to follow what Bitcoin did, right? So if it's going to follow what Bitcoin did, probably XRP is going to go up a little bit more, okay? So we'll see if XRP will follow or go to 40 cents. Or this could be, you know, a fake breakout. You just got to be careful, guys. Got to be careful. It's still a bear market. What's going on, Chris D? Crypto Corey, what's going on? Crypto PO, what's going on? Sean said, thanks for looking at TRX. Yes. Crypto PO said, Ben, I want to thank you for all your help. You helped me become a better trader. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. All right. Shout out to you. Okay, it wasn't all me. It was you too. So, you know, I had to give you credit too, because you don't want to have to, you know, put in the work. So shout out to you, bro. All I'm trying to do is spark the minds and try to give you guys some good information. And that's it, bro. You know, I want you guys to become good traders and eventually quit your job, because, you know, with me, I'm just trying to help you guys realize that there's opportunities out here. And some of you guys don't know. Like, some of you guys are new to the financial world, so you probably heard about crypto from your friend or the news. So you probably just say, man, this thing looks good. It looks like a good investment, or whatever the case is. I don't know what, you know, what you guys think. Or you probably in love with the technology, whatever the case is. But I'm here to, you know, help you go to the next level. Help you understand that, you know, it's not all about the technology, or, you know, buying a coin and, you know, sitting on it. I'm trying to help you realize, bro, like, this is a lifestyle. Like, people really wake up every single day and do this. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys get to that level. What's going on, Ken? You say you made it. All right. Shout out to you. What's going on here? All right. So he yeah. Let me get this guy out of here, because if I gotta yeah, I got this guy out of here because he's posting links. I don't know what kind of link that he's posting, but all right. So Angel said, I want to buy your course, man. Shout out to you, Angel. Angel, what course you want to buy, Angel? I have 2 courses. So if you're talking about this one right here, basically, this is a crypto course. I usually give you guys that 50% discount. So if you're talking about this one, here it is. Here's that 50% discount. Let me give you that link. Okay, if you're talking about the day trading course, if you're talking about this, I can give you that link too. All right, so here's the link to the crypto course. It comes with a Discord room, shows you how to make money in the bear market, shows you how to make money now. This right here is a day trading course. It's a different level. It actually comes with the crypto course. So if you have a crypto course and you want to get the day trading course, you guys get a discount. So email me if you want to get a discount on that. But here's that link, Angel. Okay, I just gave you that link. And here's a link for the day trade. I don't know which one you're talking about. So guys, if you guys have any more questions, let me know. Let me know, because right now, I just told you guys what I feel about Bitcoin, what I feel about the market right now. And honestly, you know, there's nothing else to say right now. Okay, the market is going sideways. It's pretty boring. If you guys have questions, please let me know. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of hearing we going to the moon and we going down every single month, hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you want to learn how to make money now, hit that subscribe button. Just what it is. This is what I do, guys. I do this full time. I'm a professional trader. I've been doing this for 11 years. So if you want to learn from me, hit that subscribe button. Okay. But right now, it's really nothing going on. The market is going sideways. It's just what it is. Okay. You really have to understand that the market is always trying to trick you. Okay. So the way I'm looking, the way I look at things, guys, I always look at things, you know, like a well, because the market is always trying to trick you. Okay. The same way they tricked you in 2018. Quite sure they're going to try to trick you that same way right now. Okay. We had these pullbacks all last year. Okay. We had triple bottoms all last year. We had inverse head and shoulders all last year. We had triangle breakouts all last year, and none of that stuff pretty much worked. Okay, we still went down. A lot of people got crushed. Okay, so you guys really have to understand that this is not a video game. Okay, these guys are really out to take your money. Okay, and they want you to bleed. So this is why, me personally, it's very hard to see the market reversing right now and going to the moon, because I don't think a lot of people really tapped out yet. Okay, they want to see a lot of people tap out, but I don't think a lot of people. I think a lot of people are still too happy. Okay, so you got to be patient. Of course, we're gonna have temporary run-ups like this. Okay, it's just temporary, just like last year, until the market decides to give us some type of confirmation that we are going up, and it's a possibility that we can actually, turn bullish. Then I have to remain bearish, guys. I have to remain bearish, because right now, that's how the chart looks. And of course, if we decide to go up, guys, okay, we still have this situation right here. If I can actually draw it, hold on, let me see right here. We have this situation going on right here. Okay, so we still have a lot of resistance. Okay, even this trend line right there. Okay, even this trend line right here, we have resistance right here. So the way I see it, guys, the way I see it is most likely going to try to go up this month, and they probably going to try to go up next month, and then from there we're probably going to see some selling. Okay, or we will see how this level reacts. The way things look, I mean, it looks like we have to at least do something, because I mean, it's just been going sideways like this. So most likely we're probably going to see either up move or down move. Market has to do something. So so that's what I'm waiting for. I mean, this month most likely is probably going to be a green month. We'll see though. All right, so let me see here if I see any questions. Cardano, yeah, I'll look at it. What I think about Wii stocks, I think Wii stocks, honestly, it was like a pump and dump situation. Okay, do you have a specific wheat stock in mind right now? But last time I actually looked at some wheat stocks. It was it didn't look too good. It was looking like a pump and dump, and that's my situation with that. But you have any wheat stocks that you want me to look at? Let me know. But me personally, yeah, it looks that market last time I looked at it looked like a pump and dump situation. I mean, people made a lot of money on it, but at the moment it's crashing. Last time I looked at it. So Cardano, we are right at the trend line, so be careful with that. It's a possibility we could go above the trend line a little bit. Might find some temporary resistance, but we will see. I want to see how Bitcoin moves out of that consolidation first. All right, let's see here. Would you say oil is in a bull or bear market? Oil is actually in a it's sold off, so it's definitely not bullish at all. Let's look at oil real quick. So right now, okay, basically oil was going up, okay, and we sold off like crazy. All right, now we bounced like crazy. So this bounce right here, it kind of looks like a decent bounce. So we will see if we can actually continue to go up. Okay, it can turn bullish. Okay, it could turn bullish, but right now, the bears do have the advantage. But I do like. I'm not gonna lie. I do like this bounce. This bounce looks real good. So we will see if crude could actually hold some of his gains. All right. Ben, have you traded BTC at all since the pullback started? What started? What pullback? Are you talking about this pullback? No, I haven't traded BTC. Me personally, I have been trading the futures market. That's pretty much all my energy, all my money is going there right now. So no, I haven't traded the BTC on a pullback. Hey, if the government shuts down for a few months, okay, would that affect the market in a big way? Nah, it doesn't work like that. Okay. In my opinion, it doesn't work like that because it's too obvious. I mean, and if it did decide to react to that, most likely it's gonna be a quick down move and then reverse right back up. So honestly, I don't think it's gonna I don't really think it's gonna affect the market in a big way like that. I mean, the market right now looks weak right now, but it is bouncing. It's trying to go back up. John E. Banks said, you want to learn to day trade? Yeah, I have a day trading course, John E. Banks. Like I said before, if you have my crypto course right now, you can actually get a discount on this. We call that on this course right here, because this course comes with the crypto course. All right, and if you have the crypto course already, then you can get a discount from this. Okay. You get a $200 discount off of this. Like I said, this shows you how to day trade the futures market and show you how to make money daily. Okay, if you've been following me, if you've been following my live streams, then I've been talking about the importance of learning how to make money during a recession. Okay, and day trading is one way you can actually do that. You can do it by swing trading. You can do it by day trading. Okay, and that's what I do. Okay, so when you get this course, basically you will learn the same strategies that I use to make. Right now, I'm averaging at least 1K to 5K a day. So you're gonna learn those strategies. I have students that never day traded in their lives, and these guys are doing real good. So it is worth it. Man, I hoped in this crypto. You said I hoped. You said you hopped in this crypto space in December last year, and the learning curve is real. I hear you, bro. Yeah, man. You're right, bro. The learning curve is real, and it is what it is. It's just like anything else. If you play basketball for the first time, you can't expect to go to the the league, the NBA league, and dominate. You can't really expect that. You have to be realistic. Okay, so the learning curve is real, but to me the best way to learn is from a person that's doing this. Okay, to me, in my opinion, that's the quickest way to success. Okay, that's just my opinion. I learned that from one of my mentors. He was like, it's amazing how you can actually read a book, right? You could go on Amazon right now and read a book, and get information from an expert, and that expert basically took 10 years to find that information and do everything, and you learning that information in a couple of days. Okay, it's amazing how you do that. It's amazing that you have that ability, and I think I really believe that's the quickest way to success. Now you can try things on your own, but you have to understand that it's probably going to take longer because you're trying to figure things out. But shout out to you, bro. You said it costs to learn, but you help us to save money while learning on even make money while learning. Yes, man. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. So, me personally, I rather practice things that's working instead of trying to do things myself, because that's the best way to do it. I actually said it, I think, either on my last live stream. Okay, people say practice makes perfect, but that's not true. It's actually perfect practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay, because you can actually practice, and you could be doing the wrong things. you could be practicing the wrong things, and not getting anywhere. Okay, so you really have to practice the right thing. Someone say, can I take a look at ADA? I think I did already, right? ADA, silver, gold. What's your thoughts on silver and gold? ADA, I think I looked at ADA already. Yeah, so ADA, we looked at that already. So someone asked me about the thoughts on silver and gold. Last time I checked, it was going up, right? What is gold? It's GC, I think. GC on the futures. Yeah, last time I checked, it was going up. So my thoughts on gold right now, like I said before, with the gold situation, is we have to break this resistance. Okay, we have to break this resistance right here. Maybe pull back or consolidate right here and continue to go up. Okay, this resistance right here is is this level right here is heavy resistance. All right, so let's go back to these other questions here. Ben, have you ever used a CCI? What are your thoughts on the indicator? Yes, I use the CCI. I definitely use the CCI, but it's just an indicator to me. It's just regular indicator. I'm not really big on indicators at all. Indicators to me are lagging, so I don't really care too much about indicators. I think everything you need to know is actually on the charts. All right. I will say that when it comes to the higher time frames, like the daily chart, indicators seem to work better. But other than that, I really don't use them. Because I day trade a lot, so day trading, is kind of suspect sometimes with day trading. Let me see here. Satellite Blues, do you know Da Vinci and what you think about him? Yeah, I heard about him before, bro. The first time I heard about him was on one of Sunny videos. What do I think about him? Shout out to him, man. I mean, if I was him, I would ride the wave, because right now a lot of people is looking up to him, want to they want to ask him questions. They want to hear his thoughts. I guess they value his his thoughts, whatever. But I think he's a guy that understands, I guess, the real world. Okay. But at the same time, me personally, I don't think he understands the chart that much. Okay. He understands probably business and maybe some technology, whatever. But I don't think he understands the financial world to the point where he can actually do it full time. Okay, and to me, it's a difference with that. Okay, like I said, I'm not really knocking him. Okay, like I honestly, I love when people have success. So shout out to him. I want him to have success. Okay, ride that wave, because a lot of people are doing interviews and looking up to him. But like I said before, me personally, you know the type of guy I am, man. I'm that guy, man. Show me how to make money now, okay? That's the guy I am, bro. Okay, I don't want to hear your predictions. I don't want to hear none of that stuff. That's not putting any money in my pocket, right? I think last time I heard, I could be mistaken, but I think last time I heard he said something about we're going to be in a 2-year bear market. At least he's not like one of these moon boys that's saying that we're going to reverse tomorrow and go to the moon. I'll give him credit with that. Okay. But at the same time, I think, the market probably going to be, probably going to, be in a bear market longer than that. All right. A lot of people right now are talking about 2020. Okay, like 2020 is some special year, but honestly, I think this is probably going to be a brutal bear market, and I think we're probably going to, a lot of these coins are going to flatline for a long time. Okay. Honestly, guys, when it comes to a bear market, it's very hard to predict any type of bottom. So put it like this: whatever you're thinking is probably not the right thing. Okay, I could probably tell you that. But shout out to him, bro. Bobby, you said what's good? Been waiting for a live stream. Nice $800 video yesterday. Oh yeah, shout out to you, bro. Yeah, man. I was showing people on my video yesterday, basically how I because the topic is actually making money in a recession. So that's what the topic was. Randy said, "My bad, Ben. I meant the stock market." Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Lelos, I just got in. Did you talk about TRX yet? Yes, I did talk about TRX. I said TRX right now is at the resistance. I mean, is at resistance in if you look at it right now, is at that resistance level. Okay, and we had resistance in the past before with this. We had 1, 2, 3. So it's is going to the top right here. So we might have a little bit selling right here. So just be careful. Looks like a tweezer top on silver on a daily. I check that. Silver. Well, not on this chart, but I mean, it might pull back a little bit, but right now this breakout looks real good. So I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. This looks like continuation. You know, honestly, this looks like continuation, and I wouldn't be surprised if we go to $16. Angel said, "You are the real deal, my brother, man." Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot, bro. Anybody got the course, let me know if you got the course, because I want to send you the Discord room, all right? GT said, "Thank you, Ben." Yeah, no problem, bro. Jess said 4K holds for sure. The world hasn't even realized what crypto is yet. Jesse, yes, the world doesn't really understands crypto, but they know about it. Okay, you can't really say that world doesn't know about crypto. I believe the world does know about crypto. And I really don't understand what that means anyway. So can you explain to us what that means? So you trying to say this is the bottom, Jesse? Let me see here. What do you suggest after making gains? How much percentage do you keep, or should you convert it all to yours? How much percentage do I keep? Mr. Han Solo, let me ask you a question. Do you have my course? That's number one, because I talk about that in my course. Also, it all depends on what currency or what coin you're trading right now. So can you be more specific? What coin are you trading right now? Okay. What level you got in? Because it all depends on the trade, because every trade is different. You the man, Ben. I almost sold silver today, but I didn't. Yeah, silver looks actually looks bullish right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks like it could go to 16. Okay, but you know, at the same time, let me see. At the same time, if it shows some type of bearish action, which I don't see right now. I just really see continuation. But if it does start to show any bearish actions, maybe consolidate and break down, then most likely it could actually go back to the breakout. But as of right now, as we speak, it looks bullish. Ben, I want you to answer. I want you to hear your answer to Randy's question. That was a great question. I wanted the same question. What question, Randy? Davina, what question you talking about? What question, Randy? I don't know. You talking about the government shutdown? What's the best dollar coin to switch to? Oh, you want to switch? Well, all depends on the broker. I mean, what broker are you using? Some brokers you don't even have to switch. I mean, what broker are you using? Gigi said, I'm going to get the course here soon. Thanks so much for the help with the silver. Yeah, no problem, bro. Binance or Coinbase. Okay, so if you're using Binance or Coinbase and you want to take your profits, that's what you sounded to say. You know, like I said, I don't use, or I don't really use Tether like that. I mean, if I make profits, I'm booking those profits and putting it in my bank account. Okay. If you're using other brokers where you don't even have to use, you know, like some brokers you don't have to use. All depends on what you're doing. You don't have to use crypto to trade. But if I got profits, you know, I'm booking those profits. I mean, if you want to take a chance with Tether, that's on you. All right. Yeah, shutting down shutting down a market, Davina. I answered that question already. Basically, I don't think the market is going to react to that. I mean, right now the market looks weak, but it is rebounding. So right now, you know, the government shutdown really didn't affect the market at all. So basically, what I'm trying to say is I don't think it's going to affect it because it's too obvious. And if it does affect it, if it's going to be, you know, if it does affect it, most likely it's going to be, you know, a quick maybe down move and then go right back up. Alrighty, so shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you want to, you know, learn more about the charts. I've been doing this for 11 years. Hit that subscribe button, okay? I know some of you guys don't like the truth. It is what it is. If you don't have the course by now, like during my live stream, I give you guys that 50% discount. So check it out. And because when I get off a live stream, it goes right back to the 300. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. But I'm about to get off here soon. You said, how do you convert it to cash or convert it to US coin and then bank out? I mean, if you're using Coinbase, you know, that means you can use Coinbase to convert it to cash. All right, so right now, guys, we are still in the bear market. The dominance is at 51.4. So don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Don't let anybody fool you and say that you know, because right now where I'm hearing, well, some people think that we can actually go sideways for a year. Okay. I don't think that's going to happen. Some people think that in 2020 the bull market is going to come. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, in 2020, depending on how bad this market is, we might see a good run. So basically, if I'm, you know, let's say the market decides to go down, do another sell, go all the way down to, like, you know, 1,700, okay, in 2020, and go sideways in 2020, yes, we might get a bounce, okay, in 2020, maybe go back to 3,000 or something like that, and then maybe, you know, play around these levels. But doesn't mean that the market is going to turn bullish, okay? Whenever you think the market's going to turn bullish, then most likely that's not the date, okay? Like I said before, if you just go back and if you go back and look at Bitcoin chart, you will see that every time we crash, every single time, okay, it took longer, you know, the next time. So the first time it crashed, it took like a year or something. Second time it crashed, it took like three to 4 years. This time, right now, as we speak, most likely it's going to take longer than that. Okay, double that. So it looks like it's doubling every single time it's crashing. And not only that, you know, the higher you go, the bigger the crash is going to be. The most likely the longer it's going to take to recoup or recover. So some of you guys have to realize that. I know some of you guys don't want to hear that, which is okay. You know, I'm fine with that. But at the same time, you know, I'm here to show you guys or let you guys know that there's other opportunities out here instead of waiting for years and years just for the bull market. Okay. Because we don't even know what the, you know, we don't even know nothing about the future. Okay, you know, we can guess, but we don't even know. Okay, we don't know what's going on. So I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I hope you guys. Anybody watch that football game with that? Was it Chicago, the Bears? I think the kicker missed the field goal. I hope anybody on the live stream. I hope you guys are not a fan of that football team because that sucks. But I hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine was okay. But you know, I'm still here. The sixth time he hit the goals. Yeah, I know, man. Exactly, bro. Serious. You know, I saw a lot of videos out there. People mad, pissed off. You know, getting paid all that money just to screw up like that. Crazy. But it is what it is. All right, guys. So, thanks a lot for stopping by. I definitely appreciate you guys coming through. I don't know the next time I do a live stream. If you guys have questions, you can email me. And, you know, talk to you guys later. Okay. Make sure you practice. Make sure you improve. Make sure you know, do whatever it takes to get to that next level. All right. Be careful with this bear market. We can do a lot of things. We still have a lot of resistance, you know, on this chart. We still have a lot of resistance on this chart. Yes, we can pop out of the resistance, but just to let you know, the bigger picture is we are going down, and anytime we go down, it takes a lot of energy to break out of resistance. So keep that in mind. Hope you guys have a great day, great night. You know, make sure you study, practice, and get better, guys. Have a good night, and talk to you guys later.